Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas Pisces. This is a Christmas season. Ginawa ko tong video na ito sa December 25, 2023. Okay? And I wish you all a wonderful, happiest Christmas together with your family Pisces, together with your friends, with your loved ones, or kung ikaw lang mag-isa, you can still be happy, and I'm always here for you. I will guide you using our tarot cards, and of course always pray to God. God is always on your side, Pisces. Okay, kahit saan ka man ngayon, kahit anumang ginagawa mo, I'm wishing you a happy and wonderful Christmas. Okay, and sa nakikita niyo Pisces, itong reading natin ngayon is mag-a-upload ako, I think, 2 videos. Iba yung love reading for this Christmas day, and money career reading also in this Christmas day, December 25, 2023. Okay? Pero kung anumang araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, it's okay po, basta mag-resonate po sa inyo. Okay? This is a timeless reading, but I will make a videos, 2 videos, and check niyo po yun sa ating channel, in this Pisces Hub channel. Okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa inyo, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a love reading Pisces. Mamaya i-upload ko po yung video po for money and career reading. Okay? So, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces? This is a timeless reading. Okay, kahit hindi po Pasko, basta mag-resonate po sa inyo, type niyo lang. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT po yung nanonood, and yung mga taong konektado sa ating reading, lalo na sa ating love reading sa araw na ito. Okay, so meron tayo ditong hindi siya makita, 4 of Swords, 7 of Wands, and 3 of Swords. Okay. So, sa love reading, bottom of the deck is 3 of Wands. Okay. So, sa love reading natin ngayon, Pisces, there is medyo heartache. Okay. Pwedeng meron kang blinak. Okay. Or pwedeng there is something na parang kasi nakikita nyo, meron tayo ditong tatlong pasensya na, hindi kasi makita. Iba kasi yung setup natin ngayon. Okay? Pero don't worry kasi our next videos sa susunod na mga araw, balik tayo dun sa dating setup. Okay? Pero as of now, there is a 4 of Swords, 7 of Wands, and 3 of Swords. Medyo there is someone na nasaktan. It's either you, Pisces, or there is someone na specific. Pwedeng ito ay karelasyon mo, asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, okay, ka-live-in partner, or pwedeng LDR kayo na nasaktan ka, nasaktan mo siya, okay? Kasi there's a 3 of Swords. Okay, kitang-kita nyo nakatusok yung tatlong swords dito. Okay? So, sa araw na ito, medyo mabigat yung cards natin. And 7 of Wands. I hope you're okay, Pisces, especially on your love life. Okay? Sa araw na ito. Okay? And there's a 7 of Wands. Pwedeng blinak mo siya, blinak ka niya. Okay? Because of this kind of reason. Okay? Blinak mo tong taong to, blinak ka niya. Okay? And you are surrendering everything to God. Or you have to pray, or parang sa nararamdaman ko, you choose to rest, okay? Kumbaga, gusto mo muna ng magpahinga, gusto mo munang katahimikan, gusto mo muna ng peace of mind, okay? With this 4 of Wands, you surrender everything to God, na parang ikaw na po bahala, okay? Gusto ko lang na maging masaya, gusto ko lang na mapayapa, okay? Ayaw mo ng toxic, ayaw mo ng away, ayaw mo ng, alam mo yun, yung mga magkukos nitong 3 of Swords nandito, okay? So, it's either you, Pisces, or there is someone na nang block sa'yo, pero there is a bottom of the deck, 3 of Wands. It's either you or this someone is trying to pursue you, pursue him, her, okay? Merong isa sa inyo ang magme-make ng action or pwedeng there is a planning, okay? Dahil merong isa na parang hindi, parang you set some boundaries or this person set some boundaries on you and or pwedeng ikaw Pisces you set some boundaries kasi parang sobra, parang alam mo yun, parang gusto mo muna ng katahimikan, ayaw mo muna lalo na ngayon na holiday season. I record this video on December 25 as I said kanina. Okay? So, I hope you're okay, especially on your love life, Pisces. And this is a great decision. Okay? Magandang decision to na alam mo yun, yung parang gusto mo munang i-enjoy, ayaw mo muna ng away kung pwede. Gusto mo munang alam mo yun, yung parang peace of mind and at the same time, i-enjoy yung kung ano man yung holiday season natin ngayon. Okay? Kahit anong araw po to, basta mag-resonate po sa inyo. Okay? And there is someone na magpo-pursue, there is someone na planning. Okay? Nakikita nyo, merong nakatingin galing sa ibang lugar and nakatingin siya sa ibang lugar din, okay? Sa iba yung dagat kasi meron tayo ditong isla. Okay? So, pwedeng there's a planning to travel. There's a 3-3, okay? So, pwedeng nakakakita ka ng angel numbers na 3-3 Pisces, okay? Or you can search it on online kung anong ibig sabihin ng 3-3 angel numbers. Okay? So, i-clarify natin or kuha tayo ng iba pa pong cards na posibleng clarifications or iba pang mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces. Okay? So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Agad-agad may nag-flip. The Judgment, King of Swords, Four of Wands. Oh, medyo, wow! Oh, wow! The Star, Knight of Cups, and the Sun. Okay? Pasensya na po, hindi po siya makita, pero I hope na ano niyo pa rin po. Okay? So, bottom of that, oh! Kitang-kita niyo Pisces, lumalabas talaga siya. Three of Wands, there is someone na traveling. Okay, there is someone na nagpaplano talaga mag-travel towards you or ikaw yung magta-travel towards this person. Okay? So, sa 6 na cards na nandito, actually lahat sila magaganda eh. Okay? Sa 3 cards na nandito, medyo mabigat, medyo, alam mo yun, medyo nakaka-down kasi there's a 3 of swords, okay, na nasaktan ka, alam mo yon, and there's a blocking, there's a boundaries. Pero again, you wanted or you tried to enjoy the holiday season. Okay? Pero there is someone talaga na magta-travel or ikaw yung magpupursue sa taong to. Okay? There's a traveling na nangyayari and Three of Swords, Three of Wands, lumalabas talaga siya kahit naka-shuffle na itong cards natin ngayon. Okay? There's a planning towards you or towards this person. Okay, sa love life mo, Pisces. Pwedeng LDR kayo kasi meron tayo ditong Three of Wands na, alam mo yun, merong dagat sa pagitan yung dalawa, okay? So, it's either towards you or palayo sa taong to. Okay, take nyo lang po. So, there's the Judgment, King of Swords, and Four of Wands. Okay, so, nakikita nyo, the Judgment card, everything happens for a reason, Pisces. Okay? Sa decision na ginawa mo na, parang, alam mo yun, yung parang, kinuha mo or binalik mo muna or you keep your power, you keep your energy sa mga taong hindi ka na, alam mo yun, hindi ka na-appreciate or something na parang ayaw mo muna ng gulo, gusto mo muna ng peace of mind, gusto mo ng kasiyahan, gusto mong i-enjoy itong mga magagandang holiday season natin ngayon. And it is a good thing, Pisces, okay? And because of that kind of decision, because of that kind of mindset, merong magkiklik. Itong taong to, this person you're dealing with, it's either this is your husband, this is your wife, this is your girlfriend, boyfriend, LDR, okay, or live-in partner. Dito magkiklik sa utak niya na dapat mag-e-extra effort ako sa kay Pisces, okay? Alam mo yun, yung parang there's something na, ah, mare-realize itong taong 'to na dapat pala you deserve something better, okay? You deserve something na i-prioritize ka, okay? Or something na, kapahingahan, relaxation, peace of mind, alam mo yun, yung parang kung pwede lang maging masaya, okay? And this person, dito niya na-realize na dapat pala ganun, okay? And there's a movement talaga, Pisces. There's a movement. Pwedeng you're dealing with someone na King of Swords, or pwedeng ikaw to, na parang, as I said kanina, there's a realization, and nakita ng taong to na, alam mo yun, yung parang, you're ready to cut this person off in your life, okay? And dun pumasok yung parang takot niya, na parang, ay teka, iba na 'to, okey? Dun pumasok sa isipan niya na parang desidido ka, na parang, dahil sa kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo dito sa tatlong cards natin na, nandito na unang lumabas, okey? Dito niya na-realize na dapat pala mag-make siya ng dobleng effort, okey? Or alam mo yun, yung parang, gumawa na siya ng, um effort or way para, alam mo yun, para hindi tuluyang maging ganito. Okay? Three of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Four of Swords. Okay? So, you're you know, you're being decisive, Pisces. Pinaninindigan mo kung ano yung decision mo. Okay? You take your power. Kasi sobra-sobra yung pagbibigay mo, or pwedeng itong taong to is sobra-sobra yung pagbibigay niya. And ngayon, yung the other person, yung karelasyon niya is dun nag-click sa isipan niya na, dapat pala magdobleng ingat, and at the same time mag-make ng effort pa para hindi mawala itong connection, itong relasyon yung dalawa, okay? And this person is trying to, yes, this person, it's either you, Pisces, na nararamdaman ko ikaw to eh. You take your power back. Okay, yung parang, yung energy mo, yung kung ano man yung binigay mo sa taong to, yung parang, teka nga lang, parang ako na lang palagi, okay? And nagko-cause siya ng, alam mo yun, yung parang nasaktan ka because of this Three of Swords. Kaya parang, na-realize mo, Pisces, na hindi muna ako hindi ako alam mo yun, palagi mag-i-initiate ng conversation, mag-i-initiate ng ganito, ng ganyan, na parang, na-feel mo pa na parang ikaw na lang palagi. Okay? And itong taong to is parang take lang ng take. So, you decided because of this Four of Swords na, teka nga lang, gusto ko muna enjoy muna to within myself, with people na mahal ko. Okay, ayaw ko muna ng gulo, ayaw ko ma-stress. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko dito, Pisces. And you take your power back. You take your energy back. Okay? And napansin ito ng taong karelasyon mo ngayon, Pisces, or ng taong dinidil mo ngayon, okay? So, dito na papasok the Star, the Knight of Cups, and the Sun. Kitang-kita niyo, Pisces, the Knight of Cups, there is someone, it's either, sa nararamdaman ko, siya to, na parang magme-make siya ng move, again, there's an effort, extra effort for this person, and pwedeng, sobrang emotional ng taong to, Pisces, to the point na mararamdaman mo yung genuine feelings niya towards you, okay? Kasi kaya ako nasabing genuine kasi there's a child na nakasakay again sa kabayo, okay? Nakikita niyo dalawang white horse yung sinakyan niya, okay? So, full of love, full of happiness, full of relaxation. Alam mo yun, parang ito yung klaseng pagmamahal, ito yung klaseng relasyon, Pisces, na you deserve, okay? Yung parang calm, relax, okay? Walang masyadong away, kung pwede walang away, okay? Yung parang pareho yung na-enjoy yung holiday season na ito, okay? So, because of this decision you made, maraming bagay yung mangyayari. Okay? And you can feel the genuine, pure love for this person. Okay? Nag-click kasi sa isipan niya na dapat pala magdoble ingat ako, alam mo yun, mag-extra effort ako for Pisces para, alam mo yun, hindi siya lumayo sa buhay ko, hindi siya lumayo sa akin. Okay? And the star, ibibigay niya yung lahat ng emotions. Siksik, liglig, at nag-uumapaw na pagmamahal, Pisces. Okay? Yung pagmamahal ng taong to sa'yo, sobra-sobra. Okay? Kasi nakikita ka niyang parang, you make this person life enjoyable, Pisces. You make this person life na parang, alam mo yun, parang, napapasaya mo siya. And because of what decision you made, na parang, again, sinabi ko kanina na you take your power back, you take your energy back. Na-realize niya na parang, kung ano yung binigay mo sa kanya, dun niya pa na-realize. Okay? And, again, there's the star. Sobra-sobrang pagmamahal, sobra-sobrang emotion, sobra-sobrang, alam mo yun, parang ibubuhos niya lahat, Pisces. Ibubuhos niya lahat. To the point na, alam mo yun, yung parang, teka nga lang, yung parang ramdam mo yung ibibigay niya, yung parang kung pwede nakaupo ka, okay, hahawakan niya yung kamay mo and sasabihin niya lahat sa'yo, Pisces, kung ano yung totoo nararamdaman niya. And there's a realization, okay? So, mararamdaman mo sobra-sobra yung pagmamahal ng taong to. Okay? There's a genuine positivity, abundance, love, especially, okay? Pwedeng meron kang makikita na white horse, Pisces. It's either on social media or pwedeng sa palibot mo, okay, sa paligid mo. Pwedeng take it as a sign, okay? And again, lumabas to kanina, pangalawang labas niya to ulit, 3 of Wands. There's a planning, okay? There's a planning. It's either, sa nararamdaman ko, gusto kanyang kausapin in person, okay? Gusto kanyang kausapin. And sigurado siya, okay, gagawin niya, desidido siyang gawin to. Okay, desidido siyang, alam mo yun, gawin itong move na ito kasi nakita niya yung kung ano yung naibibigay mo sa buhay niya, Pisces, okay? So there's a realization, there's a love, sobrang love, okay, after this decision you made, Pisces. Okay? So minsan, kailangan din nating i-step yung foot natin and become alam mo yun, decisive na eager mong gawin. Okay? Kumbaga, what I'm trying to say, Pisces, is kung ano yung decision mo, panindigan mo. Okay? And, step back, look at the bigger picture, and observe kung ano yung gagawin ng specific person mo. Pero this reading right now, una, medyo nasasaktan ka, disappointed, pwede, okay? Or you just wanted to relax, especially ngayong holiday season. And napansin nyo ng tao dinidil mo, there's a realization and there's so much effort coming from this person, Pisces, okay? So, punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng, alam mo yun, yung parang sobra-sobrang emotional ng taong to towards you. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga angel advices, messages towards you, between the both of you, of your loved one, Pisces, your specific person. Okay? So, gamitin natin itong angel answers oracle cards for advices, messages ng angel mo sa araw na ito. Okay? So, ano po ang mensahe mo po for Pisces sa reading na ito, for his loved ones, for her or his loved ones, for his love life? Okay, ayun. Forgiveness. There's a forgiveness, Pisces. Okay, forgiveness, unang-una. Be assertive. Okay, pag meron kang ginawang decision, panindigan mo. Okay, parang kumbaga, be decisive. Parang ganun siya. And peaceful resolution. hindi ko to ginagawa, Pisces. I'm not making makeup stories, okay? Lumalabas talaga siya. And unang-una pa lang, forgiveness, be assertive, and peaceful resolution. Okay, so our angel says na Merong kapatawaran and be assertive, Pisces. It's either you or this person should be assertive, and peaceful resolution. Peaceful. Okay? Kasiyahan, happiness between the both of you. And full of love. Hopefully, full of love, punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng, alam mo yun, yung parang relaxation, ang pagmamahal kung pwede maging masaya lang. Okay? Iwasan muna yung mga stress, okay? And i-enjoy itong holiday season na ito, Pisces, okay? So, yun lang po ang love reading for Pisces for December 25, 2023. Pero kahit anong araw po to, Pisces, buwan o taon, basta mag-resonate po sa inyo, okay? And huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe, Pisces, sa ating channel, and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!